We are here at Hotel Petaluma. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Notice how like beat up these buttons are from what Windows apartments.
Listen. Oh, yo, that's hella cool.
You can set it up.
What floor? 4? I'm freaking out right now.
So the crazy part is, that's the newer motor.
What?
Here, check out the This one's
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna let it go because it works. Oh, and there's actually another floor above this, but the elevator doesn't go. Put on the L, probably. This was manual at one point because this looks to me like a annunciator, and then there's like buttons down there.
Yeah, this was definitely probably manual.
Just notice a little bit better.
This is an absolutely epic elevator. Look at
So there was one time when I came here and they were restoring this because this used to be all painted white and red, and they had this stuff taken out so you could actually see into the shaft. And there's the OTIS logo. All bent up.
Wow. Look at that.
And this place is really nice from what it used to be.
Look at that. There's a certificate.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Is that the top floor?
Sure.
You can push it.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, let me grab that mattress.
Oh.
Go ahead and press it.
That is freaking
I wouldn't know
awesome.
that they care about this thing. They like
They really do.
try and restore it and everything.
Wow.
That'll be it.